आज आपण वर्ग 8 चा विद्यार्थी अरुण महल्ले यांनी 3D शेप ऑफ मॅथमॅटिकल डायग्राम्स याच्यावर एक मॉडेल तयार केलेलं आहे। ते मॉडेल कशा प्रकारचं आहे व त्या मॉडेलचं वर्किंग कशा प्रकारे होते हे आपण बघू। अतिशय उत्कृष्टरित्या धाग्यांचा वापर करून आणि कागदांचा वापर करून मॅथचे मॉडेल अरुण महल्ले यांनी तयार केलेले आहेत।
Good morning friends, my name is Arun Madan Mahalle, class 8B, school Jijamata Vidya Mandir, guidance sir Lalit Bure. So friends, I am invented a book model of math. In this model we use cardboard and some paper, gum, sketch pen and small rope. The model work when we pull the rope and the model made on 3D shapes. The name of model is the book of 3D shapes, and in this book the formula and some information about the 3D shapes. On the first page of the model, the 3D diagram of a cube. When we pull this rope, the cube will ready. First, the lateral surface area of a cube is 4L square. Second, the volume of a cube is side cube, and the total surface area of a cube is 6L square. Then some basic information about the cube. First, cube is a 3D shape. Second, it has a 6 face, 12 edges and 8 vertex. Third, all faces of a square and they are equal to each other. Fourth, the side and length of a cube are equal. Fifth, all angle of a cube are 90 degree. Second, when I am pull the rope of cuboid, the cuboid will perfectly make. The total surface area of cuboid is 2 in bracket L multiply B plus B multiply H plus L multiply H. Second, the volume of cube is L multiply B multiply H. Then some basic information about cuboid. First, a cuboid is a 3D solid shape. Second, that has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Third, it has length, breadth and height. Fourth, that is enclosed by rectangular faces. Fifth, the opposite sides of cube are equal. Then this is the cylinder. When I am pull the rope of cylinder, the cylinder will perfectly made. This is the curved surface area of cylinder, and this is a two parallel base of cylinder. The curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Second, the total area surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi R multiply H plus R. Third, the volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Then some basic information about the cylinder. First, a cylinder is also 3D solid shape. Second, that has one curved surface and two parallel base. Third, the perpendicular distance between two bases is denoted as H is equal to height of the cylinder, and R is equal to the radius of a cylinder. Then I am pull the rope of triangular prism, and the triangular prism will make perfectly. The total surface area of prism is equal to BH in bracket plus in bracket A plus B plus C into L. Then the volume of triangular prism is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply breadth multiply height multiply length. Then some basic information about the triangular prism. First, the triangular prism is also the 3D solid shape. Second, it has 9 edge, 5 face and 6 vertices. A triangular prism is a polyhedron. It made up of 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular sides. Fourth, the two bases are parallel to each other. Fifth, the base are equilateral and the side square, then it is called a uniform or regular. Then this is a triangular pyramid. I have pulled the rope of triangular pyramid and the triangular pyramid is made up perfectly. The surface area of triangular pyramid is equal to base area plus 1 upon 2 in bracket perimeter plus length height. Volume of the triangular pyramid is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply base area multiply height. There's some basic information about triangular pyramid. First, a pyramid is also 3D solid shape. Second, it has polygonal base and flat triangular faces. Third, it has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Fourth, faces join at a common point called the apex. Fifth, each edge of base is connected to apex. The 3D shapes and the information of 3D shapes is completed. These are the shapes. First, this is a square. A square has four equal sides and the all angle of square are 90 degree. Second, this is a circle. A circle has arc, diameter, center point, radius and chord. A circle has no side. This is a triangle. A triangle has one median, one altitude and 3 sides. And the sum of the 3 sides of angle is 180 degree. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite side of a rectangle are equal. And all angle of rectangle are 90 degree. This is a parallelogram. A parallelogram are the 4 sides of parallelogram are equal. A parallelogram has one height and base. This is a rhombus. A rhombus has 2 diagonal which made perpendicular to each other. This is a trapezium. A trapezium has 2 parallel line and height which made the 90 degree angle in base. The area of this is the area and perimeter of square. First, the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. Second, the area of square is equal to side into side. This is a circle. First, the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Second, the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Third, this is a rectangle. The area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply height multiply base. Second, perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of 3 sides. First, area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Second, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. First, the area of parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. Second, perimeter of parallelogram is equal to 2 in bracket side plus base. First, area of rhombus is equal to half multiply d1 multiply d2. Second, perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. First, trapezium of area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel side multiply height. Second, perimeter of trapezium is equal to sum of all side. Thank you.